Dear students, I hope you all will be fine. Today we will discuss another topic from one of the core subject of botany, that is plant systematic anatomy and development. The course code of this subject is BOTN 1112. So here we have lecture number 16, in which we discuss about the diagnostic features or morphological feature of the family Liliaceae. So here we have the classification of this Liliaceae family. It belongs to a kingdom Plantae. It's have a relevancy with the subkingdom Tracheobionta. It means these are the vascular plants. The superdivision of this Liliaceae family is Spermatophyta. So these plants are seed plants. It belongs to division Magnoliophyta. So Magnoliophyta, as you know, indicates that these plants have flowers. So these are flowering plants. The class of this family is Liliopsidae. So these are the monocotyledons. So subclass of this Liliaceae family is Liliaceae. Then the order is Liliaceae, and the family is Liliaceae, that is also called as lily family. As far as concerned with the distribution of this family, majorly it distributed in temperate region of the North Hemisphere. This family includes near about 250 genera and 4,000 species. That is worldwide in distribution. So now we discuss about the habit. So the plant live for several years. So these plants are perennials, and these plants are green, small size, due to which they are herbs, and usually they produce bulbs. And bulb is a specialized reduced short underground stem composed of a broadly conical disc. So the root of this Liliaceae family is fibrous and adventious. It means these are long and slender roots, and these commonly develop on creeping and underground stem like grasses. And in some cases these roots are tuberous adventious. So in this case these are swollen and fleshy roots, and these roots contain store food material. So the family Liliaceae possess herbaceous stem. That means stem is soft and green, that can easily bend, and in some cases this stem may be woody. It means that stem which cannot easily be bent. The aerial branches are erect. It means those branches that above the ground or exposed in the air. This stem is thick and strong, and it grows upward. And it also possesses underground stem. That means stem grow underground, and they are often thick and swollen with a large amount of stored food. Mostly these underground stem resemble to root. In addition to this, these underground stem may be in the form of bulb. That means a specialized, much reduced short underground stem composed of broadly conical disc. It may be in the form of corms. That means a thick, solid, rounded, condensed underground stem with few internodes. And it is also present in the form of a rhizome. It means that this stem is elongated, horizontal, thick and fleshy. The arrangement of leaf is alternate. It means each leaf arises at different point or node on the stem. In Liliaceae family, the petiole is absent, so the leaf are sessile. As far as concerned with the phyllotaxy of Liliaceae family, the leaves are spirally or whorl in arrangement. In spiral phyllotaxy, a single leaf borne at each knot, while In word phyllotaxy, more than 2 leaves are present at each node, and these leaves are arranged in a circle around the node. Stipules are absent, so leaves are exstipulate. The arrangement of leaf in such a way that it provide a sheath at leaf bases. Leaf is simple. The margin of leaf is entire. It means the leaf having smooth edge with neither teeth or nor lobes. And the venation in the leaf of Liliaceae family is parallel. It means venation in which many veins of equal size run parallel to each other, from the base to apex or from midrib to margin of leaf. Inflorescence of Liliaceae family is racemose. It means the inflorescence in which main axis develop lateral flower and continues to grow indefinitely up to last flower. So the flowers are developed in acropetal succession. It means the oldest flower are born towards the base of inflorescence, but younger flower are born towards the apex. In addition to this, Liliaceae family also possess cymose inflorescence. In this case, the main axis soon and in a flower, it gives 1 or 2 lateral branches or daughter axes, each of which ends in flower, and this process is repeated several times. In this case, flowers are born in basipetal succession. The terminal flower is the oldest and the lateral flower are younger. And in some cases, this Liliaceae family exhibit umbel inflorescence. In this case, fluorescence consists of number of short flower stalks which spread from a common point, somewhat like umbrella ribs. And the flower is solitary like rose. So the solitary flower have large corolla to attract insects. Now we discuss the features of flower in Liliaceae family. The flower possess pedicel, so flower are pedicellate. The symmetry of flower is actinomorphic. It means that the flower can be cut into 2 equal halves by more than one plane. Hermaphrodite refers that the flower exhibit both male and female reproductive part in a same flower, and in some cases flowers are unisexual. It means male and female or staminate or pistillate, both parts are present on different flowers. The position of ovary in Liliaceae family is hypogynous. It means ovary is superior. In this case, thalamus is convex or pionical. The gynoecium develops on the top of thalamus, but stamens, petals and sepals are born on the side of gynoecium. So gynoecium is superior, but all other parts are inferior. All 4 whorl if present in the flower, then flower is complete. So Liliaceae family exhibit complete flower. In Liliaceae family, the floral leaves are arranged in 3 in each whorl, so they are referred as trimerous. One of the unique features of Liliaceae family is that perianth is present. Actually, the calyx and the corolla are collectively known as perianth. In some flowers, calyx and corolla cannot be differentiated, so the term perianth is used. So in this Liliaceae family, perianth is present. Generally, perianth consists of a single whorl. And in Liliaceae family, the perianth is polyphylous. It means the leaves of the perianth are free. In addition to this perianth is also referred as tepals. Now here we have the third whorl of flower, that is androecium. Androecium consists of stamens. As you know, stamen consists of two parts. One is filament and other one is anther. So in Liliaceae family, it possesses 6 stamens, and these 6 stamens are polyandrous. It means the stamens are free from each other. So in this Liliaceae family, these 6 stamens are arranged in 2 groups, and each group contains 3 stamens. Filament are long, and the attachment of filament to anther may be versatile or basifixed. In case of versatile, the filament is attached to the back of anther and anther can swing on it. While in case of basifixed, the filament is attached to the base of the anther. Anther are dioecious, it means it is bilobed structure. So here we have the fourth whorl of flower, that is gynoecium or pistil. As you know, gynoecium consists of carpel. So in Liliaceae family, the gynoecium is tricarpellary. It means it possesses 3 carpels, as you observe in this figure. 1, this one is 2, and this one is 3. All these carpel are fused together, so they are syncarpous. So syncarpous, in this case, gynoecium consists of more than one fused carpel, and these fused carpel form compound ovary. In addition to this, the ovary is superior, as we already discussed that in this Liliaceae family, the ovary is hypogynous. So the ovary is superior. It means gynoecium develops on the top of thalamus, but stamens, petals and sepals are borne on the side of gynoecium. So gynoecium is superior, but all other parts are inferior. In gynoecium of Liliaceae family, 3 chambers are present. Each chamber is referred as locule. So due to 3 chambers, we call it as trilocular. Or in some cases, a single chamber is present, so we refer it as unilocular. Each chamber contains 2 ovules, as you observe in this figure. Two ovules. Each chamber contains 2 ovules. Ovule is attached to the ovary through placenta. So the arrangement of placenta in the ovary is called placentation. In Liliaceae family, this placentation is axial. It means gynoecium is polycarpellary and syncarpous. The fused margins of the carpel grow inward in the center of the ovary. Thus the compound ovary becomes multilocular. The marginal placenta of all the carpels fuse in the center to form a central axis. So ovules are attached to this central axis, as you observe in this figure. Stigma in Liliaceae family consists of 3 lobes. So stigma is trilobed or 3-parted structure. It may be berry or capsule. In case of capsule, the fruit derived from polycarpellary syncarpous pistil with superior ovary is called capsule, while berry is a indehiscent many-seeded fleshy fruit in which mesocarp and endocarp forms pulp. In Liliaceae family, a seed is endospermic. It means seeds are those that have an endosperm in the mature seed. It is fleshy, oily, surrounds the embryo and functions as the sole food storage organ. Inside the seed coat, a thin and papery cotyledon is present. Monocot plants have endospermic seed. So now here we discuss the floral diagram and formula of this Liliaceae family. First we discuss the floral diagram. So here these indicates this one, and this one. Actually in Liliaceae family there is not clear differentiation between calyx and corolla, so this is perianth. So all the sepals and petals are united together to form perianth, and perianth is also referred as tepals. So the number of sepals is 3. So 1, this is 1, 2 and 3. Similarly the number of petals is also 3, 1, 2 and 3. So the perianth contains 3 sepals and 3 petals. Okay, all these sepals and petals are united together. After this we discuss the other part, that is androecium. So in this family, Liliaceae family, 3 stamens are present. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 stamens are present, and all these stamens are fused with perianth or tepals as indicated here or here. After this we discuss the female reproductive part of flower, that is gynoecium. So gynoecium possess 3 carpels, tricarpellary, and these 3 carpels are fused together, so they are syncarpous. Each carpel possess 1 locule. So overall trilocular structure are present in this gynoecium, and each locule possess 2 ovule, here indicated in the center of this floral diagram. And below this structure indicates that a bract or leaf-like structure is present. So this is all about the floral diagram of this Liliaceae family. Now we discuss the floral formula of this Liliaceae family. So here this sign indicates that the symmetry of the flower is actinomorphic. The next indicates that the flower is hermaphrodite. After this indicates that in perianth 3 sepals and 3 petals are present. After that we have androecium. Androecium consists of 6 stamens, and these 6 stamens are arrange itself into 2 groups, and each group contains 3 stamens. So 3 here and 3 here. After that we have a gynoecium. In gynoecium 3 tricarpellary structure, 3 carpels are present, and these 3 carpels are fused together, so they are syncarpous. So the bracket indicates a syncarpous structure or And a line below the gynoecium indicates that the ovary is superior. So this is all about the floral formula of this family. Now we discuss the economic importance of Liliaceae under different headings. First of all, number of these members of this family like onion, garlic and asparagus are edible and used as food. Some of these members also used for medicinal purposes like smilax, aloe vera and colchicum. Aloe vera yields aloin. The roots of asparagus yield a tonic. Some plants of this family give fibers like yucca and Phomimium tenax yield fibers for commerce. Xanthoria yield resin. From the acrid resin of Xanthoria, sealing wax is prepared. Many species are cultivated as ornamental plants. Some of these plants are Tulipa, Lilium, Gloriosa, Aloe, Ruscus. This is all about for this lecture. Have a nice day. Thank you.